Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Imagine doubling your salary in just 6 months. It's totally possible. Stay tuned as I reveal 5 must-have skills that will get you there. The first skill is cloud security. Become an expert in securing cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. The second most demanded skill, penetration testing. Learn how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. The third skill is incident response. Master the art of quickly and effectively handling security breaches, including critical analytical thinking. The fourth skill is security automation. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. This will help in handling repetitive tasks faster. The fifth skill that you should absolutely invest in and start learning as soon as possible is advanced threat intelligence. Stay ahead of cyber threats with cutting-edge research and analysis. This is one of the hardest skills, but when mastered, you'll be able to double your salary in no time. Level up your skills, boost your career, and watch your salary soar. Like, share, and follow for more career tips. See you next time.